How to create and manage ticket statuses. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create and manage ticket statuses. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your account. Which account? Your Fresh Text account as an administrator. So once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, the next step is to move to the menu, which is located by the left side of the screen. Scroll down and click on the admin portal icon. Once you've clicked on it, you'll be brought to the page where you would see different options by the left side, which include Freddy, team, channels, workflows, accounts productivity, support operations, and then account. So the next step is to click on ticket fields, as you can see on the screen. So after clicking on ticket fields, you'll be brought to the ticket fields, of course. And on these fields, you can see different options too, different kind of tickets that can be created. So once you can see this, the next option is to click on the status field. All right. So where is the status field? Status. So this is it. Just click on the status field. Then use the text boxes to change what your customer would see for different statuses. So after clicking on the status field, this is it. So you can now go ahead and change the label for the customers here to what you want the customer to see. All right. Besides this, you can now come down to and change all of this. Do you want to change it to open or pending? Do you want to change it from pending to almost received, whatever? Just keep on changing it. And then once you keep on changing it, this add a choice option or button would be activated. All right. Once it's activated, just select it. After selecting it, type in the name of your new custom status for both agents and customers, and then click on save changes or save field, and then just like that, the ticket status is would has been created, and then you are now good to go. Very, very simple. Ensure you try this out. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good day.